If you've been scrolling online and spotted the Solax MV graphic hoodie with its bold design and massive discounts of up to 70% off, you might be wondering, did I just find the best fashion deal of the year? Or is this one of those sites that's too good to be true? The hoodie itself definitely catches attention with its edgy graphic style, the kind of streetwear look that appeals to anyone who wants to stand out. But the store behind it, solaxwear.shop, raises some serious questions. For starters, the domain was only registered in May 2025, which makes it a very new website without a proven track record. On top of that, some of the product images appear identical to photos you can find on other websites, which suggests the content may not be original. The support options also feel weak. There's only an email contact form, no phone number, no live chat, and no clear team or company information provided anywhere on the site. Customer reviews are another red flag. The site claims over 200 glowing reviews, but when you check places like Trustpilot, Reddit, or independent forums, there's almost no real feedback to back those claims. At the same time, it's important to note that being a new site doesn't automatically make it a scam, and sometimes new brands do start small with limited transparency. So, while the hoodie design itself looks appealing and the price point is tempting, the lack of verified customer experiences, the copied visuals, and the brand new domain make it a risky purchase. In the end, whether Solax Wear is legit or not is still unclear, but with so many unanswered questions, it's smart to be cautious before handing over your money.